But anyway, flew the drone all up and down the coast, filmed some stuff in the water. All right, so this morning I'm back at it again, hitting the beach out here on Hutchinson Island, Florida. Flew the drone a little bit, but the main purpose is we're gonna do a Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot Quick Shot Edition. So basically what that is I'm just gonna use the quick shots that come, the program shots that come in the drone. So those are shots that anyone can use. You don't have to be a great drone pilot to be able to use quick shots because they're programmed flights. You just push a button and they do it. So I think before we do that though, we should look and see which shot won last week. In the last episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, I visited a beautiful place called Joe's River Park. I spotlighted 3 shots and I asked you to vote for your favorite one. Gents Life voted for shot 1. Thanks so much for making a comment and casting a vote. Ernest thought shot 2 was the best. Thanks so much for voting, Ernest. JRM Vlogs voted for shot number 3. But the shot that took the prize and won was shot number 1. Thanks so much for everyone that watched the video, made a comment, and casted a vote. So if you're not familiar with how this works, basically I'm gonna post some shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comment. Help me find my best drone shot. And I do this just for fun. You know, it's flying the drone is a hobby that I really enjoy. I love getting out and doing it, and this kind of gives me purpose. You know, I can do something with my work. And yeah, thanks so much for watching and making a comment and voting. Let's get to this week's shots. All right, so those are the shots. What quick shot did you like best? Vote for your favorite one in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Hey, I'm Scott. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.